Orange. O is for outstanding, and that's exactly what today's words are. Get ready to open your mind to 5 outrageously cool new words. The image explains the word oasis as a green place in the desert with water. It shows a boy pointing at a palm tree and a small pond, helping kids understand that an oasis is a special spot in the desert where plants grow and water is found. The image explains the word obedient as someone who follows directions. It shows a woman giving instructions to a boy, helping kids understand that being obedient means listening and doing what you're told. The image explains the word oaf as someone who is not smart. It shows a confused boy scratching his head, helping kids understand that an oaf is a person who doesn't understand things easily. The image explains the word oath as a strong promise. It shows a boy raising his hand in front of a school, helping kids understand that an oath means telling the truth or doing something seriously. The image explains the word obdurate as someone who doesn't listen or change their mind easily. It shows a boy named Ravi crossing his arms while another child tries to talk to him, helping kids understand that being obdurate means being stubborn. Outstanding job, explorers! You've added 5 new words to your treasure chest today. Keep that curiosity glowing, and I'll see you tomorrow for more word wonders.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.